Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Klarna on Amazon. Let's go! Open Klarna. You can use both the application and the extension. Download the Klarna app and search for Amazon. Search for Amazon on the home screen and start adding items to your cart. Go to your shopping cart. After you've added everything to your cart, go to the checkout page and tap the Pay with K button at the bottom of the app screen. Take control of your budget. Use Klarna to split the cost of your purchase into 4 smaller interest-free payments, paid every 2 weeks. You can also use the extension. Press Add to Chrome, log in to your account, add products to the cart and open the extension. Now you know how to use Klarna on Amazon. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.